Hello everyone, this is a little unboxing video of an Ekho Sound RX1200 PA amplifier. This was within my budget because I just don't have the money to get a more expensive one. The reason I chose this was because it has inputs on the back to enable me to plug in a mixer or a microphone mixer. So I can use a microphone outside of my computer, because I don't know if you've come across this problem. If you plug a USB mic into your computer, Windows can get like all confused as to what to output. So this will make life easier for me. Anyway, I'm gonna get it out of the box. Okay, I've pulled the polished iron out of the top there, as you can see. I've never plugged this in. All I've done is open the top to make sure it is the right model, because I did read on forums on occasion they send out a slightly lower model. Here's the instruction book, and that's the model I have, the 1200. I'm just going to put that aside. I'm going to hit pause and get this out so you can have a closer look at it. This is the front of the unit, folks. Not a lot to see on the front. You just got your A and B channel dials and all your LEDs, your clip LEDs, power LEDs, Pro T LED. I'm not quite sure what that is. I'll have to have a look in the instruction book. And your on off power switch here. Okay, this is the back of the machine. Here we have our inputs. You can connect your music source to here, which a majority of users would use a laptop. I'm going to use an ultra small form factor computer in my setup. We have A and B 6.3 jacks here, where you can hook up your mixer or microphone mixer or whatever. We have modes here. If you're just going to do your regular stereo, which is 2 speakers, you would have it flipped over to the ST. If you're going to do the daisy chain, aka bridge mode, then you would flip it to bridge mode, BR. We also have a lift ground here. If you've got hissing or humming in your speakers because of the laptop charger having 3 pins, then you could try that. So there might not be any need then for a ground loop isolator. Here we have all our speaker outputs. Up the top we have 2-pole speak-on connectors. So remember that when you buy the connectors for the end of your wires, they must be 2-pole, which is basically the red and black wire. Red being the signal and black being the ground. Either side here, left and right, we have 6.3 jacks. But the only thing I don't like about this machine, these binding posts are quite old-fashioned. You can't even plug banana jacks into them. You have to basically loosen them up and poke the wire in the hole there. I can't even get a spade connector on there, because as you can see when I'm undoing that, that's how far it will go. I cannot get a spade in there, so I've wasted my money buying them. Right, and like I said, I am no expert on audio equipment. I do not DJ regularly. I only do it for family and friends because I have social anxiety and I would just get totally stressed out if I was performing in front of strangers. But that's another story. You probably don't want to know about that. Before I go, folks, I'll give you a close-up of the vent on top. As you can see, we've got this little spongy filter, and I don't know if you can make out inside there. There's a heat sink, which is silver, and we've got this fan in the middle, and you can just make out the wires is connecting it to the board. And we have a vent there. I can't see a lot there, just some cables. And we've got a vent right up there, and you can just make out the heat sink there too. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching. Over and out.